Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, and now we aim to present you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of -0.24. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 0.22%. This results in an average return of 0.1% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently oscillating within a broad horizontal trend, and further movements within this range are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 1.75% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -1.90% to positive 14.10%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a 34.02% change over the next year, with potential returns between 29.55% and 52.90%. This projection corresponds to a price range of $584.77 to $690.17 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $451.38 on Monday, after gaining 0.215%. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.215% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, rising from $450.41 to $451.38. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a slight pause over the next few days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.3%, with a low of $448.55 and a high of $454.37. The price has been quite volatile during this period, and there has been a loss of 2.7% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 28 million shares exchanged for approximately $12.46 billion. It is important to note that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 10.36%, or $52.14, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Invesco QQQ Trust are crucial for investors to consider. Successful hedge fund managers have notably shifted gears from Nvidia stock to purchasing shares of QQQ, highlighting a strong belief in technology's role in the artificial intelligence boom. This trend could fuel short-term demand and potentially drive QQQ's price upward as more investors follow suit. However, contrasting news suggests challenges ahead. QQQ has recently entered a correction phase amid a broader market shift towards small-cap stocks and value plays, reflecting fears over overhyped artificial intelligence investments. This selling pressure may persist in the short term, creating volatility as traders reassess their strategies. Moreover, economic indicators, including a disappointing jobs report, have raised recession fears, which Goldman Sachs now estimates at a 1 in 4 chance within the next year. Such sentiments could weigh on technology stocks, including QQQ, affecting both investor confidence and stock performance. On a more positive note, anticipated Federal Reserve rate cuts could offer relief to technology exchange-traded funds like QQQ, aligning with a longer-term optimistic outlook if conditions improve. As economic uncertainty looms, investors are advised to stay vigilant and consider the potential for both short-term fluctuations and long-term recovery within the technology sector, particularly through diversified strategies involving QQQ. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The QQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $473.50. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $444.04. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7, 2024, and thus far it has risen 3.82%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 181 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss analysis for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $448.75, which may represent a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $5.82 between its high and low, equating to 1.3%. In the past week, it has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.34%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $458.27. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $426.42, representing a decrease of 5.53%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which translates to a medium level of risk. A buying signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment option? The QQQ ETF presents several positive indicators. However, these signals alone are not sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. After assessing the price volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of August, we anticipate that QQQ will open at approximately 5 cents higher, beginning trading at $451.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.